What if you can get one person to click on a link, and you make over $1,000 per day, only working 30 to 60 minutes a day? The craziest part is that it's absolutely free. You don't need any tech skills, and it's worldwide available. That means that it works from anywhere. So grab your computer or your phone, and I'll show you how you can make money over and over again. And remember to watch this video to the end, because I don't want you to miss any important step in between. The first step you need to do, in order to make $1,000. First go to clickbank.com. And make an account once you're inside. Click on the marketplace, and you'll land on this page right here. Now just click in the top and click on the search icon. Now I want you to sort the results by average conversion. We have selected the top paying products on ClickBank, and you can make $2,000 with just literally one click, and I'll show you exactly how to do that today. $2,000 right here, $1,800 right here, that you can make simply by referring people to this program. And they buy that program, but you don't have to do any selling. It's gonna be extremely simple to do. You just have to click and make commissions. But let's check out some of the products. Like Stock Market Contrarian Investor, and many other products with $2,000 or more commission in them. Now what you have to do is to click on this promote link. So once you've done that, now all you have to do is generate hop links, and you have your affiliate link right here. If anybody goes to this links and buys, you'll make $2,000, can you believe? That $2,000 directly to you, straight into your account. Well, let me know what you will do with that money. So let's continue. The next step is to go to this website called linktree.com or just Linktree. All you have to do in order to start this, is to just get started for free right here. Super simple. Sign up with email, username, password, and repeat the password, and the username is gonna be shown. So pick something that is cool without any numbers. Because your link will look cool, like this, and people are gonna actually see that. Now all you need to do is click on add new link, and then we're going to do it again and again, until we have links right here. Now head back to ClickBank, and remember, I'll show you exactly how to send people to this link, in a second. So all you need to do is click on promote, take that link we just found. And then we're gonna head back in here, we're gonna post that link directly. Now we are going to copy this name right here. So just copy that over, enter the title right into there, and you are done. Now let's do that with two more different products. Now you can see that, if we click on this link, we'll end up on this very simple page, with 3 buttons right here. And that's exactly what we want. And now that you've done that, you're ready to send people to this, and start making money. But before that, remember to hit that like button, remember to smash that subscribe button, and also remember to comment down below, and stay to the end, to not miss out the next important step. Now head over to Instagram.com. I want you to take a look at this, the growing investor 877k followers, getting thousands of likes on these super simple pictures, that he just finds online, and repost. Now the second account with 148,000 followers, getting thousands of likes. This next account doing the exact same thing, just posting with 1.7 million followers right here, another motivational posting guy, that this is literally so simple, even a toddler that can't walk could make images like this. So what's your excuse now? Look at this last one right here called #business, a fun little pun right there. This guy with only 40,000 followers, is posting every single day these stupidly simple images, getting hundreds, even thousands of likes on this. But did you catch it? They have a Linktree link in the description, of course, and here you can see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 ways, that he can earn money through this link, and as you can see, this is the exact same page as we have right here, and if they would click on our link, and then for example, go to this link right here, that is our affiliate link, and if they sign up, you have the possibility of making over $2,000 from a single click in your Instagram bio. So is this the strategy you want to start doing to make money online? If yes, then awesome. My number one recommendation is to join the step-by-step guide to get 100,000 followers on Instagram, in the description down below. So click the video on the screen or go in the description down below to grow your Instagram page fast. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.